Okay, so at this point, you should have imported the cartridge containing all the MyOpenMath Lab files into your D2L shell. And when you do that, it's going to look like this on the left. Now, what's going to be confusing is here's the learning content where the students are going to go. And notice that when you import all of the MyOpenMath, they look similar to what the students would want to click into for the various units. So what we're going to do is just hide these in the MyOpenMath instructor use only folder. So I'm going to do this in reverse order because the last one in ends up on top. So I'll just take Unit 5, drag it in, Unit 4, drag it in, Unit 3, Unit 2, and finally Unit 1. And you can see that now it's hidden within this folder. It's all still there in the correct order, but typically the students aren't going to see it. Now, the fact that these are in the shell doesn't mean that they're connected or linked to where the students will click when they want to do their homework. So now we have to set a hyperlink connection from the course content to these individual homeworks. Now, this is a little bit tedious, but it's not hard. You can do this very quickly. So what we need to do is we'll go into the learning content where the students will be clicking, and let's just do Unit 1, a transition. You can do the entire course. You can do it a unit at a time. You can do this a homework at a time. It's up to you. I'm only going to do 3 or 4 homework links just to show you how to do this, and you can do the rest. So I'm going to go ahead into the content for Unit 1 that contains the kind of the class notes, the textbook link, and also where the students will click to go ahead and complete their homework. And what we'll do is set up the connection from D2L to MyOpenMath. Okay, so since I'm going to be editing hyperlinks, we need to go into the edit HTML. And once in there, I'm going to scroll down into all the accordions are undone. And so I'm going to look for the first homework blue box. It's easy to spot. There it is right here. And what am I going to do? I'm going to highlight all the words. I'm going to hit the hyperlink button because I want to make that connection. I'm going to insert a quick link. I'll go to the course content, MyOpenMath files. I'm in Unit 1 at transition, and I want to link it to 1.1 homework. So now there is a link there. And I can just scroll down to I see the next blue box. Okay, so there's 1.2. Highlight it, hit the link. I'll go ahead and insert the quick link. Under Content, MyOpenMath, Transition. This is homework 1.2. So you can see this is very easy and you can do this very, very quickly. I'll go one more. So here we are in 1.3. Whoops, sorry about that. Okay, that's 1.2. I'm sorry, I'll get down to 1.3 here. Right there. I'll do this again. I'll highlight it, hit the hyperlink, insert a quick link, content, MyOpenMath, Unit 1, 1.3, and so forth. So you can repeat this again. You can do as many or as few as you want, but until you do this, students are not going to be able to see it. Now, there is a little bit of a catch here. I'm going to save what I've done, save these links, and close it. Okay, so you've made the connection, but this is where MyOpenMath can be a little bit cumbersome. Until you, as the instructor, click on the link, the students won't be able to do it. So just to illustrate, let me go up to grades. And right now, the grade book If I go to manage grades, it's empty, right? There's nothing showing under the homework. Okay, so what I will do is I'll go in and everything that I have just done the hyperlink to, I'm going to come in and I'm going to click on the hyperlink. And once I do that, it then will reach out and make the connection to MyOpenMath, and then the students will be able to click in and do homework. So there's kind of a two-step process. You got to create the hyperlink, and then you actually have to hit the hyperlink to activate it. So let me go down to the first homework that we've created the hyperlink right here. I'll click on it, and you can see that it is going to make the connection to my Open Math. You can preview it if you want. So I'll go ahead and kill that. We'll go down to section 1.2, the trinomials. Scroll down, click on that homework, make the connection, and I'll go ahead and do the 1.3. So I'll scroll down to that first link, click, and then there is the connection. Okay, and just to show you that now, this is now in the grade book, and again, there's a little bit more you got to do. If I open the grade book, and now I've clicked on three links, and you can see I have this final grade sums to 130. So if I go to manage grades and I take a look, here are the three links that I clicked on to make them active. But the last step is D2L has to know where to put them. Okay, so again, this is really easy. So all of these are homework. I'm going to click all three of these. I'm just going to bulk edit. And over here on the category, I'm going to say these are all going to be categorized as homework. Okay, save it. And you can see now that they are in the correct location in the gradebook. And so as you want to make homeworks active, you create the hyperlink, click on the hyperlink, and then just move it into the correct location in the gradebook, and you'll be good to go. I'll show you how to modify assignments in a different video. Okay?